You know what nobody tells you when you first get into AI? Most of AI tools out there are completely waste of money. Some work and mostly don't. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 AI tools that save your time and money, do real things, and most of them are completely free. Hi, my name is Abdul Wahid. I'm building this channel to share what's actually possible in AI. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Lovable.
Okay, so here is something that used to require a developer and thousands of dollars. You can now do it yourself for free. Lovable lets you build real website and app just by typing what you want in plain English. No coding, no technical skills needed. You just describe what you want and Lovable builds it. You can build a landing pages, business app, things that used to cost a lot of money and a lot of time are now a 20-minute job. I built this complete site using Lovable. If you have any idea for a website or a small app, Lovable is how you build it without hiring anyone. The free plan lets you get started and see how it works. I use free plan. Paid plans start at around $20 a month when you want it, publish and use your own custom domain.
Tool number 2 is NotebookLM. This one is made by Google.
You take any document, any PDF, any article, any YouTube video link. You upload it to NotebookLM and then you can ask it question about that content. It is like having a conversation with a book. I use this for studying, for research, for going through long reports without reading the whole thing. And it is completely free. Google has no charge for this yet. If you deal with a lot of information, long documents, research, notes, Notebook LM will save you hours every single week. And it is free, use it.
Tool number 3 is Perplexity.
Think of Perplexity as a smarter version of Google. When you search something on Google, you get a list of links. You have to click them, read them. That takes time. Perplexity does something different. You ask it a question and it searches the internet right now. Read the result and give you a direct answer with the source right there so you can check them. No ads, no 10 lines to click, just the answer. Like what is the best AI tools for business professionals in 2026. This is perfect for research, checking facts, staying updated on news, comparing products, anything you would normally Google. The free version handles most things really well. The pro plan is $20 a month if you want unlimited searches. If you're still Googling everything, Perplexity will save you a lot of time, simple and big difference.
Tool number 4 is Go High Level.
Go High Level is not just an AI tool, it is all in one AI powered platform built to help you grow faster, capture leads, nurture them automatically, and turn them into real customers, all from one place. From websites and funnel to CRM to AI voice agents and automated follow ups. Everything you need is built in. No more juggling multiple tools, no more missed opportunities. With Go High Level, you can book more appointments, close more deals, and keep your customers coming back. Set up your system once and let automation do the work for you. Millions of businesses are already using Go High Level to generate leads, book appointments, and drive billions in sales. Start your 14-day free trial today and see how simple growth can be.
And tool number 5 is Claude AI.
Most people have heard of ChatGPT. This is the most famous AI assistant. But honestly, Cloud is better for a lot of the things that most people actually do. And what makes it different is how it thinks and writes. I use Cloud for writing content, planning ideas, answering hard questions, and just thinking through problems out loud. I type help me write a short email to client explaining a delay. He asks me question and give output. See how clean that is. You did not spend 30 minutes writing that. Cloud did in 5 seconds. The free version is good. The paid plan is $20 a month. It's your AI brain. It is the tool you will use every day. Start it before anything else. And you can send emails using the send via email button.
Here is what I want you to notice. You can use 4 out of these 5 AI tools for free, $0. that is more powerful than most professionals 10 years ago, completely for free. The people winning AI are not the ones who spending more money. They are the ones who using the right tools. Alright, that is all you need to start. Here's your first daily action. Pick one of these tools, go sign up for free version and start using it from today, not tomorrow. Because the difference between the people who are winning AI and the people who are still confused are not knowledge. It is actually doing the thing. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button. Got a question about AI? Comment below and I'll help you out. I'll see you in the next one.